scene that he really loves his mum. You see, Mum's turning 60 and she's tickled pink by the adorable card that she's got there. But you see, there's more on the back, Mum.
What are you going to do now?
What is it? Because whatever it is, it's taking her back. I can't go inside.
Chef's coming at 5:30. Dinner the weekend is Saturday, 6:30. You have a happy hour here with all your friends.
Oh, wow. He's organized Chef Alyssa's Kitchen in Charlotte, North Carolina to come to their home, oh yes, and to make a very special dinner. I love Chef Alyssa. I've been live with her several times. She has new meal deliveries. They return her husband. They are great, and her food is amazing. Hey, Chef Alyssa. It's just going to be a party of 5. 4 of them are going to be family members. One of them is actually bachelor mom Caitlin Bristow, who's also going to be on Dancing with the Stars. So it's a great way of social distancing, but at the same time, they're going to have the absolute slap-up meal cooked for them as well. Now this is Courtney, and all things considered, she's having a pretty crap day. But I tell you what, tomorrow, in this video, is her 36th birthday, and her husband Kyle has got her the best presents. Oh, national delivery! Oh my God! Of course, the presents I was talking about was in the singular, and the presence of her sister Ali. Ali is the twin
You were
sister
louder
of
before I turned this on.
who they lost
You
in
looking at me.
2020. In fact, the last time they saw each other was in February at the funeral. The
Oh.
thing is that Courtney lives over 1,000 miles away from the rest of the family. So Kyle, good hubby Kyle, he came up with the perfect